Have you ever felt walked over because of your kindness? Picture this. You're always the one lending a helping hand, sacrificing your time and energy for others. Yet, somehow, instead of gratitude, you're met with expectation and even exploitation. This experience is all too common and can leave you feeling drained and unappreciated. But what if there was a way to be kind without being taken advantage of? A way to maintain your generosity while also preserving your self-respect and well-being? Ancient Stoic philosophy offers profound insights into this very dilemma. Stoicism, founded in Athens by Zeno of Citium over 2 millennia ago, teaches us how to live virtuously and in harmony with nature. At its core, Stoicism emphasizes the importance of reason and balance in all things, including kindness. In this video, we will explore the Stoic approach to kindness, a balanced way of being kind that protects both you and those you help. Join me as we uncover the wisdom of renowned Stoic philosophers like Marcus Aurelius and Epictetus. Through their timeless teachings and relatable stories, we'll learn how to practice kindness in a way that is both powerful and sustainable. In the bustling streets of modern life, kindness often stands as a beacon of hope amidst the chaos. It's a gesture of warmth that transcends barriers, connecting hearts in a world that sometimes feels disconnected. But beneath its gentle exterior lies a paradox, a delicate balance between benevolence and vulnerability, strength and naivety. Imagine yourself navigating the complexities of daily interactions with an open heart and a genuine desire to help others. You extend kindness freely, offering a listening ear to friends in need, lending a helping hand to strangers, and embracing empathy as a guiding principle in your interactions. But as the days pass, you begin to feel a subtle tug at your spirit, a whisper of doubt that echoes in the depths of your being. In the realm of Stoicism, kindness is not merely an act of goodwill, it's a strategic choice, one that demands discernment and self-awareness. Stoics recognize that while kindness is virtuous, unchecked benevolence can lead to exploitation and resentment. It's a lesson often learned the hard way, a bitter pill swallowed in moments of betrayal or disappointment. As you navigate the complexities of human interaction, you're confronted with the harsh reality that not everyone shares your noble intentions. There are those who will exploit your kindness for their own gain, leaving you feeling jaded and disillusioned. But herein lies the crux of the paradox. Kindness, when wielded with wisdom and resilience, can become a formidable strength. Consider the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic emperor who faced countless trials during his reign. Despite the weight of his responsibilities, he remained steadfast in his commitment to virtue, extending kindness even to those who sought to undermine him. For Marcus, kindness was not a sign of weakness, but a reflection of inner strength, a testament to his unwavering resolve in the face of adversity. In your own life, you're called to embrace this paradox, to walk the tightrope between compassion and self-preservation. It's a journey fraught with uncertainty, where the line between kindness and naivety blurs with each step. But as a Stoic, you find solace in the knowledge that true kindness is rooted in wisdom, a beacon of light that illuminates the path forward. So let us embrace the paradox of kindness, not as a burden to bear, but as a gift to cherish, a reminder of our shared humanity and the power we hold to shape our world with grace and resilience. In the chapters that follow, we'll explore how Stoicism can guide us in navigating this delicate balance, empowering us to transform kindness from a weakness into a source of strength. Chapter 2. Setting Boundaries with Grace. In the intricate tapestry of human relationships, setting boundaries is an essential skill, a delicate dance between asserting your needs and maintaining harmony with those around you. As you journey through life, you encounter a myriad of individuals with unique personalities, perspectives, and agendas. Some may respect your boundaries effortlessly, while others may push against them, testing the limits of your patience and resolve. Picture yourself in a scenario where a friend consistently crosses the line, encroaching upon your personal space or disregarding your wishes without hesitation. Initially, you may brush off their behavior, attributing it to their personality or circumstances. But as time goes on, you find yourself feeling increasingly uncomfortable, resentful, or overwhelmed. In the realm of Stoicism, setting boundaries is not an act of selfishness, but an assertion of self-respect, a declaration that your needs and well-being matter. Stoics recognize that maintaining healthy boundaries is essential for cultivating inner peace and fostering genuine connections with others. It's a manifestation of virtue, a commitment to living in alignment with your values and principles. But setting boundaries is easier said than done, especially when faced with the fear of appearing unkind or confrontational. You may worry about hurting the other person's feelings or damaging the relationship irreparably. Yet, as a Stoic, you understand that true kindness begins with honoring your own boundaries, even if it means facing temporary discomfort or conflict. So how do you set boundaries with grace and integrity? Start by clarifying your needs and values, reflecting on what is truly important to you and where you draw the line. Then, communicate your boundaries assertively yet compassionately, using I statements to express your feelings and preferences without blaming or shaming the other person. Remember that setting boundaries is not about controlling or changing others, but about taking ownership of your own well-being. It's a sign of self-respect and self-care, an affirmation that you deserve to be treated with dignity and consideration. And if others react negatively to your boundaries, remind yourself that their response is beyond your control, and you are not responsible for managing their emotions or reactions. By setting boundaries with grace and integrity, you empower yourself to navigate relationships with clarity and confidence. You create space for authentic connection and mutual respect, while also safeguarding your own mental, emotional, and physical health. And in doing so, you embody the essence of Stoic kindness, a balance of compassion and self-preservation that honors both yourself and others. Chapter 3. Cultivating Empathy Without Enabling. Empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, is a cornerstone of human connection, fostering compassion, understanding, and solidarity. As you navigate the intricate web of relationships in your life, empathy serves as a guiding light, illuminating the path towards deeper understanding and meaningful connections. Imagine yourself encountering a friend in distress, pouring out their heartache and struggles. Your natural inclination is to empathize, to offer comfort and support in their time of need. And yet, amidst your genuine desire to help, there lies a subtle danger: the risk of enabling destructive behaviors or perpetuating cycles of dependency. In the realm of Stoicism, empathy is not merely a passive sentiment, but an active practice, a conscious choice to engage with the experiences of others while maintaining emotional balance and discernment. Stoics recognize the importance of compassion in fostering human connection, but they also caution against allowing empathy to cloud judgment or compromise one's own well-being. So how do you cultivate empathy without falling into the trap of enabling? Start by practicing active listening, tuning into the emotions and perspectives of others without judgment or agenda. Validate their feelings and experiences while also holding space for them to explore solutions and take ownership of their actions. But empathy alone is not enough. As a Stoic, you must also exercise discernment and rationality, recognizing when empathy crosses the line into enabling. Ask yourself, Are my actions truly serving the best interests of this person, or am I inadvertently reinforcing harmful patterns? Am I empowering them to navigate their challenges with resilience and self-reliance, or am I inadvertently fostering dependency? Setting boundaries is essential in cultivating empathy without enabling, creating clear guidelines for how you will engage with others while maintaining your own emotional and psychological well-being. Communicate these boundaries with compassion and clarity, reinforcing your commitment to supporting others while also honoring your own limitations. Remember that true empathy is rooted in empowerment, a catalyst for growth and self-discovery rather than a crutch for dependency or victimhood. By cultivating empathy with wisdom and discernment, you not only deepen your connections with others, but also uphold the principles of Stoicism, fostering resilience and virtue in yourself and those around you. Chapter 4: The Power of Acceptance and Letting Go. In the tapestry of life, we encounter moments of joy, triumph, and fulfillment, but also moments of loss, disappointment, and adversity. It's during these challenging times that the Stoic principle of acceptance and letting go becomes not just a philosophy, but a lifeline, a guiding force that empowers us to navigate the ebb and flow of existence with grace and resilience. Imagine yourself faced with a setback, a dream deferred, a relationship ended, a goal unattained. Your initial reaction may be one of resistance, clinging to the illusion of control, or dwelling in resentment over circumstances beyond your influence. But as a student of Stoicism, you understand that true liberation lies not in resistance, but in acceptance. Acceptance does not imply resignation or defeat. Rather, it's a courageous act of surrender, a willingness to embrace reality as it is, rather than as we wish it to be. It's about acknowledging the inherent uncertainties and imperfections of life and finding peace amidst the chaos. As Epictetus famously said, "It is not things themselves that trouble us, but our judgments about these things." But acceptance is only part of the equation. Equally important is the practice of letting go, of releasing attachment to outcomes, expectations, and resentments that weigh heavy on the soul. Letting go does not mean forgetting or denying the significance of our experiences. Rather, it's a conscious choice to loosen the grip of attachment and reclaim our inner freedom. In the realm of Stoicism, the practice of acceptance and letting go is not a passive surrender, but an active liberation, a reclaiming of agency and autonomy in the face of adversity. It's about reframing challenges as opportunities for growth and self-discovery, rather than obstacles to be avoided or overcome. One of the most powerful tools in the Stoic toolkit is negative visualization, the practice of contemplating worst-case scenarios as a means of cultivating gratitude and resilience. By embracing the inevitability of loss and change, we inoculate ourselves against the sting of disappointment and cultivate a deeper appreciation for life's fleeting beauty. As you journey through life's ups and downs, remember the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, who wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." By embracing the power of acceptance and letting go, you reclaim sovereignty over your inner world, transcending victimhood and embracing life with open arms. Chapter 5: Transforming Adversity into Opportunity. Life is a journey of peaks and valleys, filled with moments of joy, triumph, and inevitably adversity. When faced with challenges, it's natural to feel overwhelmed or defeated. Yet within the core of every setback lies a seed of opportunity waiting to be nurtured. Think back to a time when adversity knocked at your door, an unexpected loss, a failed endeavor, or a personal hardship. In those dark moments, it's easy to succumb to despair, to view obstacles as insurmountable barriers blocking your path. But as a student of Stoicism, you recognize that adversity is not the end of the road, but a crossroad, a chance to redirect your journey toward growth and transformation. Stoicism teaches us to embrace the notion of amor fati, the love of fate, an acceptance of all that life bestows upon us, both the favorable and the unfavorable. It's about reframing adversity, not as a punishment to be endured, but as a teacher to be embraced. An opportunity to cultivate virtues such as resilience, perseverance, and wisdom. Consider the story of Helen Keller, who overcame deafness and blindness to become a renowned author, activist, and inspiration to millions. Despite facing seemingly insurmountable obstacles, Keller refused to be defined by her limitations, choosing instead to harness her adversity as a catalyst for empowerment and advocacy. But transforming adversity into opportunity requires more than just resilience. It demands a shift in perspective, a willingness to see challenges not as stumbling blocks, but as stepping stones on the path to personal growth and fulfillment. It's about recognizing that setbacks are not roadblocks but detours, guiding us toward unexpected destinations and unforeseen blessings. As you navigate life's inevitable challenges, remember that adversity is not a sign of weakness, but a testament to your resilience and strength. Embrace each setback as an opportunity to learn, grow, and evolve into the best version of yourself. For it is in the crucible of adversity that true character is forged, and it is through overcoming obstacles that we discover our greatest strengths. As we draw near to the end of our journey through the principles of Stoicism and the power of kindness, let us reflect on the wisdom we've gleaned and the transformations that await us. Stoicism offers us a timeless framework for navigating life's challenges with grace, resilience, and wisdom. Through the practice of setting boundaries, cultivating empathy, embracing acceptance, and transforming adversity into opportunity, we empower ourselves to live with greater intention, integrity, and compassion. Remember that the path to personal growth and fulfillment is not always smooth or linear. There will be obstacles, setbacks, and moments of doubt along the way. But by embodying the principles of Stoicism, by embracing adversity as a teacher, by cultivating resilience in the face of uncertainty, by extending kindness with wisdom and discernment, we unlock the power to transform our lives and the lives of those around us. If you've found value in this journey, I invite you to explore more content on Stoic Rituals, where we delve deeper into the teachings of Stoicism and offer practical insights for living a life of purpose and meaning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, sharing your thoughts, experiences, and reflections. Together, let us embark on a journey of growth, discovery, and transformation. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, may you walk the path of Stoicism with courage, compassion, and unwavering resolve.